Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I was going to do a day in the life of an equestrian type video, but it seems that the weather had different plans. So now I'm going to be doing a rainy day vlog instead. So first I'm going to get Beauty, Storm and Phoenix in from the fields and feed all of the ponies. Then I'll be taking Phoenix for a ride because I haven't ridden her on camera yet. Then, last but not least, I will be taking Storm on a trail ride. I just need to decide where to take her. Oh, and just so you guys all know, Luna is currently lame, so she is on box rest. But luckily, she will be back in work in September as her injury wasn't anything major. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so I was just about to go and get the girls in when I realised I probably need to be prepared for them to be very muddy. Because you know horses, they always find the muddiest patch of grass to roll in. So I have currently got a nice bucket of warm water sat and waiting in the wash stall. So we will soon see whether they need that or not. Alrighty, so I in fact didn't need the whole bucket because only Phoenix and Beauty had a couple of mud stains on them. But they were quite easy to get out because the mud was still wet. I also managed to brush most of it out too. So now I'm going to feed the horses, but I don't think I will record all of it because the horses can get very hangry, and yes, I'm talking about Storm. Okay, I just finished up with the feeds, and I did take a few short clips of Storm's behaviour when she can hear me making feeds. Right now I'm going to tack up Phoenix, and I'm thinking of doing a fun little jumping session. But I will be keeping it short because I have ridden her almost all day for the past 3 days. But yeah, let's get on with it. Right, so I just wanted to point out why I didn't groom Phoenix before tacking up, and that was because I did a once over off camera because I gave her a thorough groom earlier when I got her in from the field. Okay, so I'm now here with Rocky, and I'm going to turn him out in a personal paddock because I want to see how he is by himself in a turnout field. Also, mine and Phoenix's ride went really well. ended up going to Fort Pinter Beach, and it was extremely quiet because obviously it had rained last night. We both had a great time. We had a swim in the water and I had a few gallops along the beach. Oh my gosh, you can hear Phoenix banging against her stable door. Bye everyone, thank you so much for watching. I actually can't believe that Phoenix just escaped. Luckily she's back in her stall now and everything should be fine this evening. I'll be keeping an extra eye on CCTV before I go to bed. Bye!